Hey, it's Jero, and on this video, i-share ko sa inyo mga random things na gagawin ko today kasi wala akong plano. Ayan. So I will be sharing to you random things that I'll be doing today as we go on Anything Under the Sun vlog. Ayan. So kung di ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and on the bell icon para lagi ka manonotify kapag may mga bago tayong uploads, and do not forget to like and share. What's up guys? So it's Sunday and we actually don't have any plans really for today. Kagigising lang natin dahil tayo po ay medyo nagkaroon ng chance matulog na matagal-tagal. As you all know, if you are following me on my social media accounts, ako po ay nagtaping ng ilang araw at ako po kahapon ay mayroong dalawang event na hinost. So, medyo pagod tayo, kulang sa tulog, ganyan. So, nakatulog naman tayo na mahaba-haba ngayon. And, yun, it's a Sunday and wala tayong taping, wala tayong kahit anong nakaplano for today. Even, gumala, hindi ko din alam, wala din akong maisip. And wala din naman nag-aaya. So, kaya naisip ko na gumawa ng vlog today that we will do anything that maisip natin na randomly. Ayan. So, yun. Ang plano ko lang talaga today, since wala akong gagawin, ay magsimba and to do some video na kailangan para ako po ay makapagpasa ng materials for some casting and audition. Yun. Tapos, alam ko may audition today sa Quezon City, but I am not really certain kung ako po ay pupunta doon kasi wala, hindi talaga ako nakaset to go there kasi I'm really thinking that maybe just like last Sunday magkaroon tayo ng taping, but since my husband is a mafia boss ay hindi nakaset mag-shoot sa school dahil iba yung eksena na kukunin. So, wala po akong shoot ng Sunday. And, yun. Wala din sa ibang palabas na shoot for Sunday kasi they normally have their tapings ng MWF lang. So, gusto nyo yun, habang nagkukwento ako sa inyo, nagtutupi ako ng kumot. Yan. So, yun. Ang gagawin ko lang ay, yun, yung mga naisip natin gawin randomly. Yun yung laman ng video na to that I hope you guys will join me. Yun. Kasi 'di ba, may mga araw naman talaga na randomly wala tayong plano pero ang dami nating nagagawa. And minsan din naman randomly when we are on our day off, 'di ba? May mga balak tayong gawin. Hey, we're now heading to church. So, as what I have shared on my previous vlog, sa SM Molino ako nag-church pag may time mag-church. So, let's go! Hey guys, so we're here at SM Molino now.
Actually, nagpunta na ako sa QQ para kumain ng ramen. Hindi ko lang na-film kasi I bumped with a friend, which nakaya naman ko isasali natin sila sa vlog. Ayan. So, kumain ako ng ramen kasi trip ko na rin humigop ng sabaw and mahinitan yung tiyan ko. So now, we're going inside the cinema to attend the service na. So, ayan. Simple lang ang itsura natin today. Let's go!
So natin instant. Mahilig tayo sa instant eh. And oftentimes, yun din yung source ng anxiety natin. Kasi when we try to control something that we cannot control, yun yung pagkakataon ng panic. Kasi kung mayroon mang totoong bagay na dapat natin maunawaan, wala tayong control sa kahit ano. Church, understand, wala kang control sa kahit ano na pangyayari sa paligid mo. Kung meron kang kayang kontrolin, alam mo kung ano yun? Kung paano ka tutugon. Every worry is an invitation to pray. Nag-aalala ka ba? Natatakot ka ba? Pray. Sabi nga, no? Worried about your finances? Pray. Worried about your family? Pray. Worried about your future? Pray.
So, tapos na tayo sa church, guys. Now, the question is, where we go next? So, yun na nga. After the service, wala pa akong plan where to go. I'm scrapping off the idea of going to Quezon City to audition kasi hindi naman ako prepared to audition. So, maybe we will just find some items that we might consider buying or things that we might be needing in the next coming days for the taping. So, yeah. Tingnan natin kung mahanap natin dito. So, we're currently here at the SM department store at SM Molino. And we are going to look for something that medyo budget friendly that we might get as additional wardrobe or accessory for our tapings. So, tara. So there are a lot of good items actually, but they are not on sale. We normally purchase things when they are on sale. So, try kong pumunta sa taas to check some shoes and bags. Sana may sale. So, dito sa department store, my go-to is Milanos for the shoes. Kasi they normally have shoes that are on sale, but right now, I don't see one. So, let's check on some other shoe brands. So, mahilig ako sa puting shoes. That's why, whenever I buy shoes, yan, ganito. Pero, hindi siya pasok sa budget natin this time. So, we're scrapping it off. We're just gonna look for some other stickers. So, hindi na makakabili ng shoes kasi they're really out of the budget as they're not on sale. And even the bags are not on sale as of the moment. Though, we're still just gonna look for some design. Yeah, like this. Yan. Maganda pa rin yung design and nandun pa rin yung isang gusto ko. Pero, still they're not on sale this time. So, we cannot buy it. So, since there's no items on sale here at the department store, let's go to a different store. So, ayun. So, isa yan sa mga bagay na as a freelancer, we will really have to learn that when rackets and gigs are not that plentiful, let's learn not to buy things that are not really needed. Kasi yung mga ganong bagay naman, yes, we need it, but it's not really something that will affect our daily living. So, we will need to focus first on the things that we need on a daily basis. So, yun. Bags and shoes, pwede naman siyang next time na lang when we have a lot of gigs na. Ngayon kasi wala. Okay, so yun. After tayo mag-ikot-ikot dito sa SM, wala talaga tayo mabili. Kasi nga, amount or the prices are really beyond what we can spare right now for those things. So we better not. So we are here at Starbucks Molino Boulevard. Dito muna tayo tatambay for now. And we will do something here. So, time skip, and kanina pa tayo nakauwi and ngayon paalis na naman tayo. So, since we're doing a content of doing random things. So, ngayon, dahil hindi pa tayo kumakain ng kanin buong maghapon, pupunta muna tayo doon sa lagi kong kinakainan sa Imus and then we're gonna work doon sa Starbucks din na lagi ko tinatambayan doon. So, tara! So, we are here now and tara, kain muna tayo. Hi guys, so we're done working on some stuff that we have to finish. Yeah, di lang tayo nakapag-vlog sa loob ng Starbucks sa Anabu dahil napakaingay ng mga tao. And actually it makes me think of doing a content about coffee shop etiquette because there are really some people who are not really sensitive enough to think about the people na kasama nila sa loob ng shop. Yung mga taong grabe tumawa, grabe mag-usap, akala mo sila lang yung tao doon. People inside the coffee shop are mixed crowd. So may mga nag-work dyan, may mga nakikipag-meeting dyan. So a little courtesy for those people. Yes, it's not a library for everyone to stay quiet, but of course, hindi naman din yun ibig sabihin na dapat kapag nasa public place kayo, grabe kayo tumawa, grabe kayo magkwentuhan, and then isasama nyo yung maliliit na bata sa loob ng coffee shop na hindi naman sila nag-e-enjoy, iyak lang sila ng iyak, takbuhan ng takbuhan. It's not a playground, diba? So yun, naisipan ko tuloy gumawa ng content about that. So right now, we are heading home. We're just waiting for the motorcycle taxi that we booked. Ayan, so yun. Let's prepare for our shoot tomorrow once we get home. Alright, nakauwi na tayo guys, and ayun nga, meron tayong shoot tomorrow for a new show ng GMA. So I'll be preparing my wardrobe for the shoot. And right after that, matutulog na tayo dahil saglit na lang itutulog natin. It's almost 10 in the evening. I have to wake up at around 4:30 a.m. because the call time is 7:30 a.m. So I have to start traveling at around 5:30 a.m. It's Monday tomorrow, and alam niyo naman, mahirap ang commute nowadays because of the current situation ng ating bansa at agawan ang mga pasahero sa mga tren, sa mga UV, and sa mga jeep. So we have to plan our travel ahead. And that's one thing that we really need to learn, lahat tayo. Kasi kung di natin matututunang mag-adjust, hindi tayo makaka-move on. Diba? We have to work on the things that we can control. So if the price of diesel and the gasolines are uncontrollable, and we don't have any control with everything that the government is doing nowadays, then let us control our own lives, diba? Yun lang ang magagawa natin to help ourselves to move on. It doesn't mean na dapat natin kalimutan at huwag natin pakialaman ng mga nangyayari ngayon, but we have to prioritize yung buhay natin, no? So yun lang. And I think that's gonna be the conclusion of this vlog. And again, thank you so much for joining itong trip na to ngayong araw na wala talaga akong kaplano-plano sa lahat ng gagawin ko today. Super random ng lahat ng ginawa natin today. And ayun, hoping to see you on my next video.